Don't spend your 24 hours at school as a university student. You can opt for this opportunity that can generate additional income that can supplement your daily expenditures or even pay your school fees. Hey, what's up? My name is Michael, and on this channel we discuss about how to start and run successful small-scale businesses. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing, and if you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Well, on this video today, we are going to be talking about how can a university student survive at school. Would you really prefer to dedicate your 12 hours for studies? No, on this era, you can get a part-time job that can help you earn additional or extra income when you are carrying on your academics. This will give you experience and help you to survive after your graduation. You know, in Africa today, unemployment is rampant. There is 60% almost rates of unemployment. Many people who graduate do not get jobs immediately. So, if you learn this skill, you'll be able to survive after graduation, and even you may end up forgetting what you studied because this idea that I'm going to share with you today pays more than most people who work even 24/7 jobs. And if you are here and you are employed, I would also request you do not always ask for overtime. You can dedicate your extra hours for your personal development by developing your own personal skills. This will help you to increase your income and even will give you a way to go out of that 24/7 job to be independent and start earning on your own. Well, in today's era, we can all make money without being employed. We can all make money by reaching out to someone and offering what they need. Today there's internet and has made this world a global village. Of course, if you utilize internet very well, it can benefit you more than 99% of people who just are consumers on internet. Create content that brings customers and referrals, and it will create market for the products that you intend to sell. Of course, I'm here to introduce to you online selling. I'll first talk to university students. There is an opportunity of you selling second-hand or used electronics and other household equipments. Of course, I'll give an example of myself. When we used to be in school, we used to have a lot of foreigners and also people who are based here in Uganda could leave universities. Many could be coming from very far. They never used to take some of the things that they used to use. For example, mattresses, beds, TVs, and everything. So if you are a university student and specialize in buying those things and begin selling them online, on those WhatsApp groups that you have, online on Facebook, on any internet platform, or even you can go on TikTok or Facebook, you can sell those things and customers will always be there. You'll get a lot of calls and you'll get surprised why you have not been doing that business from before. Well, besides that, if you are employed, you can dedicate your part-time jobs to sell things just to your colleagues. Or even the market is broad because the internet has made this world a global village. You can choose to sell merchandise online or physically one-on-one. Sales is one of the most important skill anyone needs. You don't need to own stock. You don't need to have capital. You only need to know someone who is selling things and that person who is willing to buy those things. You become an intermediary. You become a mediator by making sure that you introduce the product to someone who needs it. By availing yourself on social media, you create your own brands, and even those shops and big wholesalers will be coming to you to sell for them their products. Of course, you have seen an example of brand ambassadors. They don't do anything but they get paid. So if you make your name and make sure you are popular on internet, you can earn money from sales even when you have not participated in physical. Make sure don't spend a day without advertising something. Some of you people have statuses. Some of you people have Facebook accounts. Some of you people have TikTok accounts. Some of you people have YouTube accounts. But all you do is just posting your pictures. Get something that you can sell from today. If you can't sell something for a commission for the first time, do sales for free. Make sure advertise products for some other customers free of charge. The moment people keep on contacting you, you'll get to know that you can earn money from those sales. Later on, you'll begin charging commission for your services and you'll become popular on internet. I'm giving this skill because I personally do sales, and if you learn sales skills, you are needed by 99% of companies in this world. Whether those companies are abroad or are within, they will need a salesperson because many people are stuck with goods and services and they don't know whom to sell them to. And if you enter in any business as a salesperson, you don't need to submit your CV, you don't need to ask for a job. You only need to ask for a product that is available for sale. Sell it and earn commission without begging any employer for salary. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing. And if you are a returning subscriber, I implore you, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. This has been today's business tip and a message to all university students and employees. Bye-bye.